Civita di Bagnoregio is a small town located in the province of Viterbo, in the Lazio region of central Italy. It is often referred to as the dying city or the city that dies, as it is perched atop a hill and is gradually eroding away due to natural erosion and seismic activity. The town is renowned for its picturesque and isolated location. It is situated on top of a tough hill, surrounded by deep valleys and cliffs. Civita di Bagnoregio is accessible only by a pedestrian bridge, which adds to its charm and seclusion. The bridge connects the town to the modern village of Bagnoregio. Civita di Bagnoregio has a rich history that dates back over 2,000 years. It was founded by the Etruscans and later became a Roman municipality. The town has witnessed numerous invasions and changes of power throughout its history. Today, Civita di Bagnoregio is primarily a tourist destination, attracting visitors who are captivated by its medieval architecture, narrow streets, and breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The town has a small population, with only a handful of residents living there year-round. Due to its delicate state of preservation, efforts have been made to ensure the survival of Civita di Bagnoregio. In recent years, restoration projects have taken place to stabilize the town's structures and prevent further erosion. The local authorities have also implemented measures to protect the town's unique character and limit the impact of tourism on its fragile environment. Civita di Bagnoregio has gained international recognition for its beauty and vulnerability. It has been featured in various travel publications and has become a popular destination for those seeking a glimpse into Italy's rich history and architectural heritage.